It seems that Samsung can never get tired of expanding its Galaxy series. We already mentioned that the Galaxy A6 2018 series is official, but suddenly, there's a new Galaxy J6 2018 model out of nowhere with some hands-on pictures. According to sources, the Galaxy J6 2018 is like another alternative to the Galaxy A6 2018 series, since both feature the same Infinity display, but as a lower-tier device. Anyway, check out the hands-on pictures and tech specs below. Running on a resolution of 720p, the device features an Exynos 7870 chipset and has 3 different variants based on memory, and depending on the market region, it has 2 GB, 3 GB and 4 GB of RAM, whereas the internal storage has both 32 GB and 64 GB. The Infinity display is measured 5.6 inch. The rear design looks alright. You can see the fingerprint sensor just below the 13MP primary camera. The front camera uses an 8MP sensor. Then on the side and bottom is per standard, and yes, it's using a microSD 2.0. The battery pack is 3000 mAh. As for the price tag, it's really an affordable one, starting with the 3 GB plus 32 GB model for $210, $832, then for the 4 GB plus 64 GB model it will be $240, $951. Will this series come to Malaysia?